Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Steven here. It is Single Malt Sunday, and I have a single malt to try. This particular single malt is from Virginia, so this is an American single malt. Let's see if I can find the lighting in here today. There it is. Sometimes these are hard to open, you know? You gotta be smarter than the bottle. So this is a stout cask finished single malt. I've been a big fan of these. You get some really cool flavors with stout cask finish. This one in particular is kind of cool because so Virginia Distilling, the whiskey is called Hardywood Gingerbread Stout, stout cask finished American single malt whiskey, 50% ABV. So what they do is they take, their single malt, and they age it for at least 5 years in ex-bourbon barrels, which is pretty common for Scotch to do that. And then they take that and they finish it for a period of time in former stout beer casks. In this case, there is a beer that's called Hardywood Gingerbread Stout. And they apparently got 30 of those bottles, so this is very, very limited edition. They got 30 of those casks and finished a bunch of whiskey in them. 50% ABV, so that's nice. I like that. You're going to get a lot of flavor to play with. They don't say, but it looks like it's probably natural color. It doesn't look like, they've added anything. It's not very dark. It's got color, it's just not super dark. At 50% ABV, I'm assuming there's no chill filtering because there would be no need to. Just get an initial little sniff in here, a little snifferoo. A lot of fruit. Lemon. A lot of lemon. Yeah, like lemon rind, lemon, almost like a tart lemon. I'm not getting the ginger though. They say, it's a gingerbread stout. I'm definitely getting like apricot and lemon though on the nose. The more I smell it. All right, let's take a taste. Oh, this is gonna need some time for me to think about. Wow. Wow. I'm still looking for a couple things. Most stout finished single malts, I get a chocolate flavor because of the stout. I'm not getting that with this one. And this is a gingerbread stout, so it's interesting though, I'm not getting ginger, Oh, now I'm getting a lot of lemon. Like lemon curd, like suddenly the lemon just tweaked up a notch out of the blue. It's not sweet either. It's not a super sweet lemon. It's just, very, very lemony. I'm getting baking spice and lemon. Baking spice and lemon. I'm going to add some water because I'm not getting the flavors that maybe I thought I would get. So far, my initial thoughts are that it's not bad, but it's not my favorite. It's definitely got plenty of flavor considering all, the ABV on it. But I suppose I could say it's not what I was expecting. Like I said, stout casks usually have a different profile than this. Interesting. So now the lemon is subdued a bit, but it's more like lemon rind. Like it's... Oh, what am I getting off of that? What is that? It's That is fascinating. I can't quite put my finger on it. Yeah, it's I don't know. There's they say that, aromas invoke memories. Whoa. I don't think the water helped. No. It's almost like those, you ever get those lemon pies at the store, the cheap ones, Hostess or whatever, that are actual like pastry pies with a lemon filling. It's kind of like that. Obviously not that kind of sweetness. And the water just gives it, there's a skunk that comes out of this with adding water to it. That's not fantastic. Interesting. Anyway, it's not super expensive. I think it's a good price for the whiskey. If you don't add water, I think it's not bad. But for all the hype of it being so limited and having the gingerbread and the stout, I expected something quite different than what they've ended up with. So, pretty fascinating. Anyway, that is my take on this particular whiskey. I'll be back again in the future with another new whiskey. And until then, sláinte.